I'm going to make for you today one of my favorite drinks called Royal Lemonade. Now, it's really simple. The first thing we want to start with is a little organic lemonade. And you can use fresh lemons too, but if you don't have them, this will do. Of course, we want to add water to it because we don't want it to be sour. And we're going to use some butterfly pea powder. It's purple because, hence, the color we want to, of course, see is lavender. Now, there are also two other ingredients I want to share in their essential oils, a lemon and a lavender. And just to sweeten it a little bit, we're going to use dates, a lot more healthy. So this is how we get started. We're going to take lemon, organic lemon, and you can do this to your taste if you just want some measurement. About 1/4 of a cup is good. Remember, we're making just a dose of it. Your water, if you want to use distilled water, purified water, organic, whatever is best for you, okay? And we're going to put a little bit of our pea powder, and there's purple, so the more you put in there, the more purple it will be. I'm just wanting it to be a hint of purple. Yes, there we go. And then I'm going to just blend this up for you. If you want to make it colder, add a little bit of ice to it. So I'm just going to turn this on for you. Start blending. If you had the ice in there, you would blend it until obviously it was, of course, blended thoroughly. Now, because I want it a little bit sweet, I'm going to add a date. Now, according to your taste buds, you just blend this. I'm going to put a plunger in here and blend that till it's completely blended. So you're going to blend it till you get it thoroughly, but just having a few pieces in there actually makes it taste really nice. And what I'm going to do now is just put a couple drops of my favorite essential oil. This is lavender. Okay, we're going to do a drop or two, and then we're going to use lemon. And just remember, whenever you use a lemon, the outside of the lemon is where the healing is taking place. I'm going to blend just a little bit more. Okay, make sure you remember to turn that down. Notice we put the lemon in there last, or the essential oils in the last. Now we're going to put a couple of drops of ice in our glass. Okay. Now you're ready for your morning drink or favorite drink like me. And the reason why I call this royalty is it's named after my granddaughter, Royal Grace. And every time I drink it, it reminds me of her. She's actually in heaven looking down at me now. Just decorate it for you. Put a little lemon on the side. Cheers.